Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in Volvo V60. It is not located in the glove box. Instead, we have to remove this plastic cover and there we will find the cabin air filter. There are two Torx 25 screws that we have to remove first. Again, Torx 25 bit. And there is another one on this side. There are a few clips that hold in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to undo two hooks. Simply turn them counterclockwise. One right here, one over here, and then you simply have to start pulling this cover down, and underneath the cover you guys will see the cabin air filter. Pull it out. I'll show you guys how it looks. This is the side that accumulated all the dust, dirt. Look at this, it's crazy. This definitely needs to be replaced, and I'll show you guys the part number right here. Also guys, this arrow right here will point to the top of the filter. This side should be on the right, so it has to go like this, this way, when you install it, because the air flows from right to the left. Now we will insert the new one. It's a bit tricky guys, there's not that much room here, so I have to kind of bend it a little bit. And push it in all the way. Reinstall the cover. Lock it. Now it's time for the final cover. This central clip and the hook will go right here. The clip will go in this slot, and this is where the hook will go. So this will simplify the installation for you guys. And then simply push the other two in, and we will reinstall the screws. Very light torque guys. This is enough. Our replacement is complete.